First of all, install the manifold in its cabinet. Make sure that the pipe is cut squarely, otherwise the seal may not hold. Fit the Giacomini pipe with its adapter, GZ179. Tighten the adapter on the manifold connection with the proper wrench. Place the pipe, already in its sleeve, on the wall or floor duct. Once the pipe reaches the radiator height, connect the pipe to its fitting. Fit the pipe on the fitting and make sure that the ring is between 3 and 6 mm from the stop, so that the pipe is perfectly stuck on the fitting ribs. Position the tool, keeping it at a 90 degrees angle to the fitting, so that the jaws completely cover the ring. Keep the tool at a 90 degrees angle and close it completely. Following each crimping action, using the gauge, check the diameter. The go section must enter easily. The no-go must not enter. If either of the two tests fails, the diameter of the ring is incorrect and the fitting must be removed. You therefore need to cut the pipe end and replace it with a brand new fitting. The connection is now complete. Place the fitting so that the 15 diameter chrome-plated copper pipe sticks out of the wall. Repeat then the same procedure to connect the radiator return.